In this video, I will show you how to gift games on Steam to friends. Gifting games on Steam is a great way to share fun experiences with friends. And to be able to do that, go ahead and open your Steam account. So go ahead and launch Steam app or go to their official website. Now in here, go ahead and look for a game that you want to send as a gift to your friend. As you can see in here, there are a wide variety of games that you can choose from. So go ahead and click on that specific game that you want to gift to your friend. Now go ahead and scroll down into the section and you'll be able to find this add to cart button under the specific game that you want to gift to your friend. So simply click on that add to cart button and this will be added into your cart. So the cart will pop up on your screen. So simply click on this button which states for my account and change this to this as a gift. Now once you click on this view my cart button, as you set this as a gift, you'll be able to select to whom you want to send this after you actually check out the item. So you'll need to click on this continue to gift options and this will take you into this section wherein you can search your friend's name and simply click on them and select them as your gift recipient. Now after you do that, you'll need to finish your purchase by paying for the item and your friend will receive the gifted game. Your friend will get a notification to accept the gift. If they don't receive it, they should check their Steam library or email for the activation link. And that's basically how you can gift games on Steam to friends. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.